Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Gemini CLI versus Codex. Gemini CLI and Codex are both AI tools designed to assist developers, but they serve different purposes and strengths. Gemini CLI is a helpful AI tool from Google that works right inside your command line. It gives you smart coding help, explanations, and suggestions without needing to open a browser or switch apps. You can ask it to explain code, fix bugs, or even write small functions, and it responds quickly in your terminal. It supports many programming languages, which makes it useful for different types of developers. The tool helps you stay focused on your coding flow since everything happens in one place. It's especially handy for beginners or anyone who wants quick answers while working. Codex is an AI model from OpenAI that helps you write code by turning plain English into working code. It's the brain behind tools like GitHub Copilot, which many developers use right inside their coding editors. Codex can autocomplete code, suggest functions, and help you understand tricky programming concepts. It supports many languages like Python, JavaScript, and more, making it flexible for different projects. The suggestions are usually smart and save your time, especially when you're stuck or want to code faster. It's great for beginners learning to code and experienced developers who want a boost. Overall, Gemini CLI is better for real coding help directly in the terminal, while Codex via Copilot is better for writing and completing code inside your editor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.